Hi, it's Andy from andysleather.com. I'm installing the middle stud on a Ruger Gunsight Scout for the installation of a Ching Sling. What you're going to do is take a 5/32 inch drill. I'm drilling just about an inch forward of the magazine port. I already have a pilot hole in there. Alright, I'm going to drill in. I'm going to take a stud. Start it in there. Now I use 1/8 inch drill bit as the tool to install. And I'm just going to screw that right in. This is using the wood screw style that I supply, but you can find in any local gun shop. And I just bring it forward till it's even, and you're all set.